Recovering an Uphold account can be a straightforward process if you have the necessary information and follow the steps carefully. To begin, make sure you have access to the email address associated with your Uphold account, as this will be crucial for the recovery process. First, go to the Uphold website and click on the Login button. Then select the Forgot Password option. Enter your email address and click on the Send Reset link button. Check your email inbox for a password reset email from Uphold and click on the Reset Password link. If you do not have access to the email address associated with your account, you will need to contact Uphold support directly. You can do this by going to the Uphold website, clicking on the Help Center, and then submitting a support request. Provide as much information as possible about your account, including your name, email address, and any other relevant details. When submitting a support request, be prepared to verify your identity to ensure the security of your account. This may involve providing identification documents, such as a passport or driver's license, as well as proof of address. Uphold takes the security of its users seriously, and this step is necessary to prevent unauthorized access to your account. Once you have submitted your support request, wait for a response from the Uphold team. They will guide you through the recovery process and provide you with further instructions. It is essential to be patient and cooperative during this process, as it may take some time to verify your identity and recover your account. To prevent future account recovery issues, make sure to keep your account information up to date, including your email address and password. It is also a good idea to enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure the security and integrity of your Uphold account.